Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review. Universal car seat covers. These are good for cars, trucks, SUVs, sedan, whatever you're looking for. They should be universal, waterproof. We're gonna open them up, show you what it looks like, test them out, and of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying.
All right, so when we get these out of the box, you'll notice that they have a installation guide that can guide you through kind of all the parts, pieces, you know, front, rear installation, stuff like that. So we're gonna just go ahead. I'm not gonna walk you through that. There is a guide, but it's all pretty evident. There are some clips and stuff, so just pay attention to your install guide, and then we'll go ahead and show you what they look like in the car. Some of this will just literally slide over the seat and fit in kind of around the headrest to really make it tight. Again, I'm doing this one-handed, but so just be aware that you'll still have that back pocket. So we'll go ahead and get that finished. Then the headrest can slide right over, and you just button it back up and attach and everything like that. Tighten as needed to get the right fit and feel. But it looks really great from the back. You'll have plenty of space on the front, so it looks really, really good. Just totally comfortable. It's beautiful kind of leather fabric. Really, really nice. So again, if you're looking to kind of keep your car stain free, original, these are a really nice fit, and they work with trucks, SUVs, cars, stuff like that, and relatively easy to install. So to me, totally worth the effort, worth the buy. So hopefully this review helps, and thanks for watching.